Ubenekusasa eliqhakazile uNkosingiphile Nxumalo obeneminyaka eyi-18 odlule emhlabeni ngesikhathi kudubulana osomatekisi eBraamfontein.
Well, he was a young man of 18 doing BCom and was going to specialize in accounting. And he came to us in this way now because we've got 50,000 students. And all of a sudden now we have Mr. Nxumalo as a symbol of what is possible in life, which just came into a complete stop.
Kusenzima ukwamukela okwenzekile kulabo abasondelene naye.
So right now we have 7 members of the family that came, and what happened to him is what is wrong with society. But what is happening with the support that the family is getting is what is right about society.
Kwembula kwembeswa esibhedlela komunye umfundi Uthi oneminyaka eyi-18 ubudala naye osinde kulesisigameko.
He's doing very well. Obviously, you know, confidentiality, we need to get permission from the family and all that. But the main issue is that he was shot around the face and he's being attended to by the eye doctors.
Lesisigameko sesiphinde saveza ukukhathazeka ngezokuphepha kwabafundi njengoba budlangile nje ubugebengu.
We are in a society where there are high levels of crime that end up affecting everybody, including students, including the quality of university life that we should not actually be having.
Inyuvesi eGoli ihlinzeke usizo nhlobo kulabo abathintwe yilesisigameko. Imininingwane ngenkonzo yesikhumbuzo kanye nomngcwabo kaNkosingiphile Nxumalo izomenyezelwa maduze. Kusenjalo, ibhodi elengamele isikhwama sabafundi iNSFAS likhuthaza bonke abafundi abathola uxhaso kulesi sikhwama ukuba behlale ezindaweni ezigunyazwe yilesi sikhwama. Njengoba ezinye zezinto ezibhekwayo uma kugunyazwa lezi zindawo uqinisekiswa kokuphepha kwabafundi.